Welcome back to From My Tiny Kitchen. Two of my favorite things, carrot cake and cheesecake. Learn how to make a decadent carrot cake recipe, but instead of cream cheese frosting, a light and fluffy no-bake cheesecake. The recipe for the carrot cake is also in the description. I love how easy this recipe is to make. Mix the sugar and the eggs together until it is lump-free. Then mix in the oil. When the mix is smooth, add in the grated carrots. When the carrots are evenly distributed, add in the dry ingredients and mix until the batter is lump-free. And one final mix with a spatula to get any unmixed bits. Scrape out into an 8-inch baking paper lined baking tin. And then bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 45 minutes or until an inserted knife or skewer comes out clean. These are the ingredients for the cheesecake. Remember, the recipe is in the description. Another really easy method. Mix together full-fat cream cheese, icing sugar, ground cinnamon and vanilla extract until smooth. Then add in the double cream and mix together until stiff peaks form. A quick mix with a spatula to get any unmixed bits and then refrigerate until needed. Cut the cooled down carrot cake in half horizontally and then leave aside while preparing the baking tin. Line the bottom of an 8-inch baking tin with baking paper and the sides with an acetate collar or a strip of baking paper about 10 centimeters high. Then carefully place in one half of the carrot cake. Then spread half of the cream cheese mixture. Repeat the process with the top layer. Use a scraper to flatten the surface, then place in the refrigerator overnight or the freezer for an hour or two or until firm. For the whipped cream, whip together double cream, sugar and vanilla extract until stiff peaks form, then transfer into a piping bag with your favorite nozzle. To assemble the cake, gently remove the acetate sheet or baking paper from the cake. Pipe on rosettes of the whipped vanilla cream. And finish off this decadent cake with chopped pecan nuts as garnish. To get that perfect clean slice, I recommend dipping a knife in hot water, wiping off the excess before cutting. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. See you next week.